This is a 1955 D738-124 from Philco. It's in excellent condition. Everything works. This model has a very rare clock light with a switch in front, and it works. Both these bulbs have been switched with modern LED, so they've got very long lifetime. You should not ever have to replace these bulbs. Usually this model here has these clock function knobs missing one, two, or all three of the little gold metal caps. This one's got all three, and these are all original knobs. These knobs are not found in any other model from any other manufacturer. So once you lose these knobs or lose a gold metal cap, you've got to get another one of these knobs to replace it. It receives stations loudly and clearly all around the dial. I'll show you.
Good morning.
The internet's amazing thing.
Lose it. So it wasn't a lap. Subscribe at 710.
Like example, Marjorie Taylor Greene,
Representative.
Ramsey Mark. Friend, some issues here.
the way, after you've picked out, if you're having
Exclusion supply.
Millions of Americans.com.
Como a espirituales, pero no puedo porque ustedes son...
GoodRx to save on GLP-1s. Just go to goodrx.com/GLP.
So I'll show you the alarm function. It's set to about 2 o'clock right now. And we'll advance the time so that at 2 o'clock you'll see the alarm turn on. And then a few minutes, actually about the same time, the buzzer will go off. So advance it. Now it's about 1 o'clock. And see, there's the alarm. And it takes a few seconds for the thing to warm up. And then you'll have the radio playing. Turn this off.
We had a massive rally in the bond market. We had a massive sell-off in the equity market.
Along with in-depth research on more than 2,000 global companies.
Some of these big tech names, are these entry points?
All right, everything works like it should.